Let's meet all of the planets. Here are the planets of our solar system. I'm Mercury, and I'm the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. I'm Venus, the hottest planet in the solar system. I'm Earth, your home, and also the only planet with liquid. I'm Mars. I'm similar to Earth, and I'm really dusty and cold with a thin atmosphere. I'm Jupiter. I'm twice the size of other planets, so they call me a giant. I also have a big red spot on me, which is actually a big storm. I'm Saturn, and I'm surrounded by a series of icy rings of crystals. I'm Uranus. I rotate on a tilt, so I look like I'm sideways. I'm Neptune, and I'm the smallest gas giant and farthest from the sun. Now, here's a way to remember all of the planets in order. You can use this. Miss Violet, eat marmalade jam sometime until November. Now, the first letter of the words that I've placed match with the words of the match with the same starting letter as the planet. So M for Miss and M for Mercury. So you can remember like that. And once again, these are all the planets of our solar system. Starts with the Sun, then Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if it helped, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Take a step ahead. And if you want anything else for me to teach or give a topic about so you guys can learn, please comment it down below and please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much. And this video was made using Canva. Bye.